What's going on, sweetheart? Hello, beautiful. Come on, eat your food. Come on, gorgeous. Eat your food. There you go. Aren't you pretty? You're just a little baby, aren't you? Just a little baby, but so tame. Such a tame baby. Because your parents know me. They know I bring food. Where have they gone? Look at those beautiful colours. Oh, don't get scared, sweetheart. You're very pretty. So pretty. Look at your pretty colours. Yellow in your wings, red on your chest. Little pretty girl with an olive head. Aren't you gorgeous? You're a gorgeous girl. Yes, you are. You're really special. That's what you eat. Good girl. So beautiful. Tame wild animals. Is there anything better? Hello, gorgeous. Here's your baby. She's safe. She's safe, big boy. Yeah, she's okay. I won't hurt her. Oh, you tell her off. Oh, darling. What's he doing? What's he doing, darling? What's up, big boy? You're getting scared, big boy. Oh, come on. Come back and eat. Ooh, squabble, squabble. That's not very nice. That's not very nice, you big boy. And she's just a little baby. She's just a baby. You're picking on her. Come on, Bubba. Come on back, sweetie. Come on back, sweetie. Come on, darling. Come on, I'll back off and you come back. Come on. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, sweetie. No? Yes, good girl. Good girl. There you go. Don't let him bully you. There's 2 bowls here. Gorgeous king parrots. Just beautiful.